IMI Stealth Control Valve provides a great example of how and why we push the limits of the MIL standards to achieve outstanding competitive advantage of our marine defence clients worldwide. Acoustic Control Vantage, ACV, is designed to increase submarine operability while remaining undetected, and we need to validate that this is effective under in-service conditions. The problem is that current standards only require testing at 100%, 50% and 5% flow rates, which do not reflect real-world operational conditions. Our testing methods will always comply with the MIL standards while allowing us to move beyond specified flow rates. This means that we can predict the various ways that noise is carried throughout the submarine and into the environment at sea. To do this, we use sophisticated modelling software to understand how fluid pressure fluctuations interact with the valve and surrounding structures, and how a submarine structure interacts with the fluid. The result is that we create a more definitive picture of how quiet a valve really is. This is how we've been able to reduce noise by up to 20 decibels using ACV technology. As we end this 25th anniversary year of IMI's Valve Doctor programme, my colleagues and I remain committed to developing cutting-edge technologies for customers across a range of sectors. We will continue to deliver breakthrough engineering for a better world.